Up Shiba holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again I'm present with the latest update of the Shiba. What's the current price of Shiba? What's the price change over in the Shiba? In this video I'm with three friends. My friends, as you know that now for today the market is fast down. The whole market, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down, dumps in dumps. So every cryptocurrency is dumped down, dumps down, dumps down. Oh my goodness, what the hell is going on in this time in the market? My friends, in this video we're talking about the Shiba token. When will they again start jumping? A lot of people ask me this question, so I will tell you answer of this question. And this video keep watch till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please my friends, please I request everyone at this time, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button now and show your support in a comment box. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. First of all, if we look the latest price of the Shiba at this time, so 0.00008 USD dollar. That is the latest price of Shiba. On the other side, if we look the price change so in the Shiba, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is negative. The whole chain is occurring, the Shiba token is going down. In the start of May month, they start jumping. But now after 17 May, the prices continuously jumps down, continue, and still price is going down, my friends. Let me show you friends on the price chart what's going on. My friends, as I told you in the start of May month, 8 May, 7th May, 10 May, 11, and on these days they take a jump. But after 12 May, the price is going down. You can see it continuously jumps down occur and the Shiba token, my friends. A lot of people worrying about that what should we do this time. So my friends, don't worry about that. And you can see that is the common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market, and especially the Shiba token. They take a jump in the start of month. You can see they take a jump in the start of May month, and the next month in the start of June there's a lot of chances to take a jump, my friends. So now this time I know the market is jumps down over and over fast so in the Shiba, but it's time to hold, my friends. If you hold, so you will get a profit in the future, and if you sell, so I don't think then you get profit from Shiba token. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba token? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.